Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you where the parking brake is on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe and you're looking to see where the parking brake is. So, because the parking brake is on, where is it actually located? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, where the parking brake is located, it isn't right over here, but it's actually located right over here. So if you actually pull this knob, that's going to go ahead and adjust the parking brake. If you guys have any questions or know of a better, easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.